Hi there, Save with Crypto here. Okay, so yeah, this morning the price of Bitcoin came down a bit. My trade closed. I made a little bit of profit, but I completely missed this move going back up. However, for those of you who didn't miss the move and you've made nice profits and stuff, you might want to show it off a little bit. And I'm going to show you how to do that because somebody did ask me this morning how you make those little pretty graphic things. And what you do is, if say, for example, you're in... This one is the Coin M futures, so this is BTC USD, and this will be my trade from this morning. So if you go to order history here, and then you can see this entry here, if it's got this little symbol next to it here, you can click that and it will show you the graphic. If you want to add the leverage you used, you can put it in there. If you want to add the profit and loss amount, it will show it there. It shows that in Bitcoin, by the way. It would be kind of nice if it showed you the dollar equivalent as well, but it doesn't, unfortunately. And if you want to add the price, it will have your sort of entry and exit price there as well. And then you can just click anything like this and, go to Twitter, for example, and, share it there. If you wanted to do that with the USDT M futures, it's the same thing. You just go like that. And then come down here to order history. You can see where my last trade closed. You do that and you can add the bits you want there. And that one was a bit better, was it? $336. Now this one does show it in USDT because here you're using the underlying asset as USDT and not Bitcoin. So it's worth bearing that in mind. And then once again, you can share it to wherever you want down here. Okay, so what if you're using a phone? I'll show you that on a phone. Okay, so to show the little pretty, I've made some profit things on Bitget, you need to select whatever you were trading with. So example, USDTM or Coin M is the main ones I use. So let's say it was USDTM. You come down here, you can see I've got no positions open at the moment, but if you click this little clipboard thing here in the corner, then go to order history, and you can see where I close this long here, and there's this little blue thing next to it that you can click, and that will show you your trade, and then you can send it wherever you want or save it in your pictures or do whatever you wish. And just to show you, if it was Coin M, select Coin M there. See, I've got no orders open there. Click that little graphic thing. Order history, and that one there. There you go. Very tiny profit there, but that was such a relief to get out of. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because of a WhatsApp message that a friend of mine sent me this morning. Now, bear in mind, this guy 12 months ago didn't really know how to make a trade or whatever, and I think last time I spoke to him, he'd made, I don't know, it was like 20 trades in a row or something that were all in profit. I think he has had some cock-ups every now and again, as we do, where he's lost a little bit, but he's not actually trading with a lot of money. Now, I think this is the best way to learn, is to probably not use a demo account, because when you're using worthless money, you just don't have the emotions that you do when you've got real money. Now, even if the amount of money you're trading is like small, and your loss is going to be like $2 or $3 or something like that, and your gains are going to be like $5 or $10. Even if you're talking about those sort of gains, you've still got the same emotions going on in your head. And I think most people are aware of these kind of emotions, and because nobody likes losing and people love winning. Unfortunately, with trading, you need to sort of get used to both. You have to get comfortable with making a few losses and then potentially making a big gain. Anyway, so as I was saying, this guy didn't really know how to do anything a year ago, and 2 years ago I don't think he knew much about cryptocurrency. Maybe 3 years ago, actually. But yeah, it's very new to the thing, so I'm really pleased that he sent me this message this morning saying I ended up 68% in profit on my last Bitcoin trade. And I said, brilliant. He said, I can't make Bitget send a pretty profit announcement like you guys do. Just comes up with an invite. Okay. So I said, phone or laptop? He said, phone. So what I did, I made a video for both, which is the one you've just watched. Now, obviously, I'm interested in people using my link to trade on Bitget. The reason being is I get a little bit of commission when people do that. But it's good for you as well, because not only do you get up to a $30,000 trading bonus when you sign up with my link, I'm also doing a $1,000 giveaway with money out of my own pocket for the first 100 people who have a trading volume of $1,000 in the past 30 days. At the moment, there's about 29 people who qualify for it. Now, if you want to see the rules I've set out for this, just go to savewith.crypto.org, and I'll put this on the home page. There's a video explaining it there, and there's a few things you need to do, like you need to watch that video there, you need to leave a comment on that video, you need to like it as well, you need to be subscribed to my channel, you need to join the Telegram announcement channel, and most importantly, you need to join Bitget with this link here. Now, you can also just go to savewithcrypto.org/bitget, and you will get to this page, and you can tell it's my page because it says Save with Crypto up there, and it says $30,000 USDT deposit bonus. Okay, and there's some bit more info about the bonuses there. So obviously you need a lot of money for the $30,000 bonus, but you can get smaller bonuses for smaller deposits. So you don't need to sell your house just to start trading. I'll tell you what, I can just show you on my affiliate account how I'm going to pick the winner. So this is my list of users here. There's actually 111 people signed up through my link, but quite a lot of people just haven't traded at all. But anyway, if I click this column here, this is the last 30 days average turnover. Okay, so you can see here, this is me, and you know I've only got like half a Bitcoin in that account, but my actual trading volume in the last 30 days is actually $329,000. And Paul Shorething, he's doing great. He's only got like $9,000 in his account, but his turnover volume is 258,000. So to achieve 1,000 isn't very difficult, really. And if we come down here to say the guy at number 22, this is a good example because he's got like $1,030 trading volume, so he would qualify for the giveaway, and he's actually only got $1,300 in his account. So that guy could easily maintain a $1,000 turnover. But yeah, some people have got very small amounts there, $59, $114, $167. I mean, the guy I made this video for, Bob the Builder, he's actually not done enough to qualify at the moment. He's got 408, but he was over 1,000 a few weeks ago, so he's obviously on the verge of being okay, and he's actually got an account with just $566 in. And this is my eldest daughter here, and she's got an account with $6,554 in, and she's only done one trade, and that was just over Christmas, was $545. So she won't qualify either, unfortunately, because she won't trade if I'm not around, and she's away at university now, so she won't trade at the moment. So yeah, so you need to be an active trader using my link, which is savewithcrypto.org/bitget. So if you like the sound of that, give the video a like, and while you're down there, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to make sure you've got the notifications set on all, and above all, tell your friends.